Hi there, Amanda Pilz here for Chemistry 125, lab number 3. Today's date is September 2nd, 2024. And for today's lab, we're going to be doing the baking soda vinegar experiment. You may have seen the vinegar baking soda experiment at common science fairs and kids experiments. It's commonly used in the form of volcano experiments and the experiment where the two are mixed together in a water bottle with a balloon hanging off of the opening of the water bottle, and the balloon gets inflated. So let's talk a little bit about our materials for today. I've got a clear glass to demonstrate the reaction transparently. I've got baking soda. I have a spoon to measure the baking soda. I have a little paper towel to ball up the baking soda at the bottom of our container. And I've got some plain white vinegar. So let's prepare the baking soda first. So I'm just going to scoop a little bit into our paper towel. And today we will just do a teaspoon. So in this experiment, the baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a base, and this vinegar acts as a weak acid. So I'm just going to stick this little knapsack of baking soda at the very bottom of our container. And when the vinegar, the weak acid, reacts with the sodium bicarbonate, the weak base, theoretically, it should form carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is the gas that forms with the reaction of the acid and the base. It comes in the form of little bubbles. The other byproduct of this experiment is sodium acetate, and that is a salt that results the salt that remains after the dust settles at the end of the experiment. So let's mix our two ingredients. So I'll try to get this on camera here. Like I said, this is a little knapsack of our base, our baking soda, and I'm going to pour the vinegar right on top of it, and hopefully we'll see some carbon dioxide bubble action here. So there we go, we've got some carbon dioxide happening right here. You can see these little bubbles forming and rising to the top. And like I said, that is the direct reaction of the weak acid and the weak base. It's important to note that if you do this experiment, I always like to do it over a container just in case too much carbon dioxide bubbles over the glass. Acid and base reactions happen in our everyday life. I'll give you a couple of examples that I read about. Brushing your teeth with toothpaste. The toothpaste is the base, and the toothpaste reacts with the acid that is in the bacteria that's in your mouth. And that base neutralizes those acids that are in your mouth, therefore preventing the acids from breaking down your teeth. Baking soda also reacts in baking, is the base for baked goods. A lot of the time when you have stomach acid or acid reflux, when you take a TUM or an antacid, that is the base that reacts with your stomach acid, and it neutralizes that and helps you to get rid of some of that acid reflux. Another thing is farmers adding lime. The lime would be the base to acidic soil of their crops to adjust the pH levels and neutralize that soil to promote good crops. So I hope you enjoyed this fabulous demonstration of acid and base reactions.